Last class, we are discussing about realization of basic gates we are using for the NOT gate by using Pspice simulator. So now we have to go for another basic gate, AND gate. The AND gate, we have a two input A and B, so we are getting one output. The AND gate working procedure is the both the inputs are 0, the output is always 0. And any one of the input is also 0, the output is 0. Then both the inputs are 1, the output is 1. According to that, and this is the logical symbol representation about AND gate. A is an input, B is an input, the output is C. So what is the graph? The graph will be representation of the output. The B is 0 and 1, 0, 1. A is 2, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Then I have to get the output in the form of A is also 0, B is also 0, output C is also 0. A is 0, B is 1, output C is also 0. A is 1, B is 0, output is also 0. A is 1, B is 1. Both the inputs are 1, the output is also 1. See, I want to realization for these type of circuit. See, by using Pspice simulator. Then how to do for the Pspice simulator? See, go back for the start. You have to choose this schematic. Then you will get this screen. So go to draw. Pick get new part. Select it. Then you have to choose what is the IC about AND gate. You should be remember IC about AND gate is 7408 and you have to choose place. You have to place in this platform. And I record only one AND gate. Escape. Then I have to give input for the first pin number and input for the second pin number. That is input has to be given by using digclock. You press digclock, you choose it and you have to choose place 1 and we require 2 input, 2 digclock and press escape. I don't want any components from this window, just close it. See, if you want to zoom, you just do zoom it. Okay, then I need to wherever you want, just move it. Wherever you want, you can just move it by drag and drop. Then you have to connect it between these. You take a wire. You can take the pin number 1 as to be connected to the digclock 1 and pin number 2 of AND gate. All the pin configuration we will be explaining in the class. And you have to connect it between for this. If the cross connection, you will get a dot. Then you have to remove this cross connection. I don't want to get a wrong connection about that one. And you take the wire for the output also. Directly I can't connect the voltage marker to pin number 3. So once you connecting for this, you have to take voltage for the input 1, input 2, input 3. Just press escape. You can also rotate this by Control R. Wherever you want, you can move like this Control R. Then click on labeling. How many inputs are there? V1. If you want to get VA, you can take this is VB. It is depends upon the requirement. And this we call as a VC. It's the output or VO. Okay. Labeling is done. The CIC 7408. Then go to the clock. You had to give the input 2 milliseconds for the on for the one input. Sorry, I want to give for the off time also 2 milliseconds. See, I want to get in the input, there are differentiation between this one. So 2 milliseconds on, 2 milliseconds off, 2 milliseconds on, 2 milliseconds off. If the next input also, if you provide in 2 milliseconds on and off, you won't get the difference between a 0001 combination. For that, you need to change the combination. Next, I have to giving 1 milliseconds on. Because I had to generate 4 possible combination, I changing that attributes value for the second one. So once the input is done, save your schematic. You can give any name. Save in your folder. Then you can go to simulate. Then you have to take the transient. From the transient, you have to check it out. What is the start step and how is the final step. then skip initial transition, okay, close. Then setup analysis done. You just simulate. If everything is done, you will get a waveform at the below of that one. Or if there is any wrong connection, you will get an error. You have to check it out now. See, this is your graph. In the graph, you will have to get A, B, C. See, you can also cut your input, whatever that one. You take this, you can paste it. Okay, now you can observe VA, VB. VA is also 0, VB is also 0, output is 0. VA is 0, VB is 1, output is 0. And both are will get 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. See, this is for 1 in A. This is for see down arrow. This is for 0. And this output is 0. Let me check. VB is also 1 and VA is also 1. Then output is 1. See, they repeatedly occurring for the next iteration because from 0 to 10. See, now 0, 1, 2 milliseconds. For that VA, I give 2 milliseconds. Each iteration input has to be changed. VB 1 millisecond iteration has to be changed. 1 milliseconds is on, 1 milliseconds off, on and off. VA 2 milliseconds on, 2 milliseconds off. Why I have to choose different? Because I have to get 4 different possible combinations: 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So because of that, I change that. Then I have to working about the truth table of AND gate. So once you're done, you can close the terminal and you have to go for file and exit. Okay. The next class, we will learn about so one more basic gate, OR gate. Thank you. Hey, ನಾನಿನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಹೊತ್ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ನೀನು ಬಿಡ್ಕೊಬಿಟ್ರೆ